Hello guys, welcome to Amelia Project. Today in this video, I'm going to show you a tutorial how to create a Google account. But before it, I have you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support the channel. And yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, first thing first, you just have to make sure that your phone is connected to the internet by Wi-Fi or a data cellular. Here I use the Wi-Fi guys. So if you want to create a new Google account, you just have to go to your Google applications first, like this. I'm gonna open it. And now we'll see here the account icon at the top right in the corner of your phone. Just tap on it. And if you wanna create a Google account, you just have to tap on this add another account first. Now tap on Google. And here tap on the create account options. Now in this pop-up, you just have to choose the account that you wanna use and that you want to make. It's for personal or for business. Yeah guys, I'm gonna use for personal. I'm gonna tap on the first options, and now in this column you just have to enter your first name and your short name, and for the short name is optional guys, you can enter it or not. And after, tap on the next button. Now you just have to enter your birthday and gender. I'm gonna enter it first. Now for the gender, I'm gonna enter for the rather not say. Yeah guys, and after, tap on the next button here. Now you have to enter your new email. Here I'm gonna make a new email. And after, if you're done, tap on the next button here at the bottom. In this column, create your new password. Now tap on the next again. In this next page, you just have to choose this as the information to save your password to the Google. You can choose save or not now, yeah guys. If you want to save it, it will be automatically logged in if you enter your email like this. So the password, you don't need to enter it because the password is already saved to the Google here. But here I'm gonna tap on not now. I'm not going to save it. And this is my new Google account, yeah guys. Tap on the next again. And now for the privacy and terms, you just have to read it first, and after, tap on I agree at the bottom. If it is already go back to this Google page, you just have to check it on this account icon. And this is my new Google account, yeah guys. If you want to use it, you just have to tap on it. And yeah, as you can see, it's already logged in. So I think it's enough from me. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.